bust it down. Bust it down, bust it down, hell yeah, I bust it down. Black chick, white chick, Spanish chicks, Asian. Bust them all down, have them saying I'm amazing. Hey, let's talk about sex. All I wanna know is who next. Can't wait to see what she gon' say after all them nuts laying in her sweat. Might say I'm the best, I can't do nothing but agree. Tell a chick that she ain't had shit until she had a piece of me. Hit her from the BACK, have her running from this thing like this was Texas Relay. Straight up tell her behave like my name was Austin Powers. Do I make you horny, baby? Then come jump up in the shower. Beat that thing for about an hour till the water gets cold. Then I take her to the bed and beat that thing until it's swole. Make her have a bigger hole. Hope that she ain't cheating, bro. Cause when I finish with her, ain't no way her man ain't gon' know. She been fucking with a pro. Yeah, your boy know how to do it. Move it in a circle, switch it up and put some thrust into it. Make her fall in love with it. Have a chick stuck on stupid cause I got a whole lot of ding-a-ling and know exactly how to use it. When I bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Black chicks, white chicks, Spanish chicks, Asians. Bust them all down, have them saying I'm amazing. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Black chick, white chick, Spanish chicks, Asian. Bust them all down, boy, ain't no discrimination. Party like a rock star, fuck like a porn star. Especially when I smoke a blunt, drink a juice or pop a bar. I ain't sleeping on that 9.9. I'm poking in each position 9 minutes at a time. Bust that pussy open, then I tell her bring it back. Eat her like a hungry snake up in a cage and she a rat. Have her everything but relax, grabbing me and won't let go. So I hit her with that flex and have her begging for some more. Crazy K is a pro, you ain't know how I do. Make your heart skip a beat without you saying hot shoot. If I do bust one or two, pull it out, let it go, put it back in cause I'm not through. Mash it up, I do, just like I was a Jamaican. Put my sausage in a flapjacks and we end up making bacon. Ain't no time for conversation, can't stop her legs from shaking. When she got me in her life, it ain't no need for masturbation. Cause I bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Black chicks, white chicks, Spanish chicks, Asians. Bust them all down, have them saying I'm amazing. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Black chick, white chick, Spanish chicks, Asian. Bust them all down, man, ain't no discrimination. Make her get the flow, like that song I'm on with Deezy. Then send her home with carpet burns to her knees. Give it to her hard, make her fall in love easy. Next day you know I'm getting that guap like KPZ. Do it real beastly when I'm banging on the couch. Get inspired to go faster every time she say ouch. When I grab her by the ankles and I spread that thing out, have her sounding like a herbal essence commercial in the house. Get that cut it up like potatoes. Hit the G spot more times than a favorite vibrator. Call me the Terminator, I demolish every cat. All my stats is felines cause they always scratch my back. It's a demolition derby when I'm knocking down the walls. Like old girl is a building and I am a wrecking ball. Stretch her out and break her like a rubber band that's too small. And chase the next cat ASAP cause I'm a dog. And I bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Black chicks, white chicks, Spanish chicks, Asians. Bust them all down, have them saying I'm amazing. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Bust her down, hell yeah, I bust her down. Black chicks, white chicks, Spanish chicks, Asians. Bust them all down, ain't no discrimination.